Hey everyone, hi. How you guys doing today? Yeah. So today we'll be looking at a quick update, which is what you need to know about Microsoft Copilot, because I know people have been having challenges as regards license requirements. They're unable to deploy it. They're not seeing the icon of the Copilot on Outlook on Word, right? So I'll be providing a quick update as regards what you need to know and what are the key things which must be in place for you to be able to make use of the Microsoft Copilot, right? So we're going to proceed. So I'm going to pick it up from the admin center, right? So so I'm going to go to the admin center here, right? Right. So from here, we're going to navigate to the setup, right? We're going to follow the setup. It actually explicitly states what is required for you to be able to utilize the Microsoft Copilot within your environment. So I'm going to come to show all, right? I scroll down, then I come to um, uh, setup, right? I click on setup here, right? So it's going to bring me to this page where it gives me other setup. But we're going to proceed to the advanced deployment guide and assistant, right? So once I get here, I'll just come to search for OGAT, right? Which I'm going to search for the one for Copilot. So I come here, Copilot. So it should show up. Yeah, there we have it here. So I click on this here, right? So it's going to give me the pay, take me to another page where it's going to show me the guideline. So we're going to proceed the guideline. So let's watch it. So this is an overview here. So the first thing which you need to take note of, right, is you must have a Microsoft 365 E5, E3 or E5 subscription. So as you can see from my side, I already have um, E3 assigned to a user here, right? Microsoft 365 E3 license. You can see Microsoft 365 E3 license has been assigned to my user account, right? Right, which there you go, right? So this has been confirmed, right? The next thing which, and also you can see it also has the co-pilot, right? So no problem. Now, the next thing which we also need to check is this. Imagine it states here, who can use the Microsoft Copilot? So you must have a minimum of 300 Microsoft E3 or E5 licenses in your organization. That means if you are having anything less than 300, there's no how you can have you make use of the Copilot. Also, it states you must have a minimum of 300 Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365 add-on licenses for your users. So that means if you're not having the E3 license, right, you must have the E3 license, and also for must also have a minimum of 300 for also the Microsoft Copilot within your environment also. Now, as you can see, it states here Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365 is not available for individual or a small business customer. That means SMB, right? So it's only available for to enterprise customers, and for enterprise customers to also get this subscription, right? The Copilot, Microsoft Copilot subscription itself, they will need to contact the Microsoft Safe Support, right? Which they will not be able to purchase the Microsoft Copilot for Office 365. So now any tenant that has below 300 Microsoft 365 E3 and E5 subscription wouldn't have access to make use of the Microsoft Copilot. So, for instance, let's say we are going to see a scenario where now I have Microsoft 365 E3, right? So I still need to purchase the Copilot, right? But I'm going to still take you through, right? So if I click on next here, so it's going to give me the guideline also. So now each application itself, once you've made the first prerequisite, the next one is to now meet up with each application. So we have the one from the Microsoft 365 app for enterprise, right? Where must be deployed already and must be on a particular version, which is the latest version, which is at starting from December 2023, which is the current channel, right? You've come to file here, you come to office account, you'll be able to see what version, sorry, not this one. Let me go back, come to file, come to office account, then come to about. You look at the version here. Look at the version here. Version 2311 and is a current channel. So if you're not on this particular version, right, only on the monthly enterprise channel or connect channel, and it's not an update that it's not updated to the last one as at December 2023, you won't be able to also utilize this app within the Microsoft 365 app for enterprise, right? Another thing which you need to also make sure is that you must make sure that your users is part of the Microsoft Entra base account. That is by at least all users, you must have created all users, right? Then OneDrive also, it has its own settings also. So each of them has their own prerequisites. So for Microsoft Outlook now, right? For now, for you to be able to make use of it, you need to make use of the new Outlook version, right? Which all you need to do is just to switch it from here. Let me try the new Outlook, right? And you'll be able to make use of the Copilot also for now. I think later on it's still going to be available for the classic Outlook client application. But for now, I think it's only available for the new Outlook signing. The Microsoft Teams also has its own. Microsoft Loop has its own. So all of these things you must also meet the requirement. So let's say I click on next, right? Now it's going to check. So you can see it stated, we detected that your tenant doesn't have a Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365 subscription. So that means, first of all, I have only one user that have with Microsoft 365 E3 subscription. Secondly, I'm only having I don't even have the Microsoft Copilot subscription itself. So that means I'm not even close to meeting the requirement. So now, any organization, the key point is in here is that which you need to first take note of that any organization that is having below 300 E3 subscription licenses will not be able to utilize the Microsoft Copilot for now. So thank you and do have a great day. Bye for now.